On the occasion of Republic Day, you will be seeing the weapons, the tanks, the BrahMos missiles and much more on Kartavya Path, showing the valor, the courage and the might of India's army. And here, before they prepare for the final day parade, this is the equipment display where you can see all these weapon systems, all this equipment together. There are T-90 tanks, we have mechanized infantry vehicles and all the new additions, the assets that have been inducted into the Indian Army recently are also present here. This is the surveillance system Sanjay. This is very important when it comes to the border areas and knowing about what the adversary is doing. So this is the surveillance system keeping the information structure strong. Then we have these BMPs, the tanks, and they also have integrated missiles, the ATGMs, and now you see this BrahMos missile, which is also a part of Indian Army, the land-based BrahMos missiles that have already been deployed along the borders. Apart from the BrahMos, we also see multi-barrel rocket launchers here in this magnificent display of strength by the Indian Army. And here we also see number of vehicles that have been inducted for the first time for high terrains, for the high altitudes, where we see a standoff with the Indian side with China along the line of actual control. We see multiple vehicles, especially these ones, the white vehicles that will be a part of the Republic Day parade for the first time. These are the quick reaction vehicles which have been inducted into the Indian Army, and they are also being sent to Lebanon for the first time. So this is the quick reaction force vehicle. This is a heavy vehicle. Light vehicles have also been inducted, and this is how these vehicles that are made in India with Indian companies are now enhancing the power of India's defense forces. So here you see all these weapon systems, all these platforms that have been put together for the marching contingent and for the Republic Day parade. So this is how India is going all out to transform its forces, and that too with the power of Atmanirbharta. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Sanjeev Kumar for India Today from New Delhi.